In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the default save location in OneNote. If you regularly create new notebooks, setting a preferred default save location can save you time and help keep your files organized. Instead of choosing a location every time, you can configure OneNote to automatically save new notebooks exactly where you want them. To begin, open your Microsoft OneNote application and make sure you're signed in to your account. This is important because OneNote typically saves notebooks to cloud storage, allowing you to access them across multiple devices. Once you're inside the app, look toward the top left corner and click on the File menu. From the File menu, select Options. This will open the OneNote Options window, where you can customize various settings related to how the application behaves. Inside this window, look for the section labeled Save. This is where you can control how and where your notebooks are stored by default in the Save settings. You'll find an option that allows you to set the default location for your notebooks. Depending on your setup, this may point to your OneDrive account by default. If you prefer to save notebooks to a different location, such as another folder or storage option, you can adjust it here. Click on the Browse button next to the Default Location field. This will open a file selection window where you can navigate to your preferred folder. Choose the location that best fits your workflow, whether it's a specific folder for work, school, or personal notes. Once you've selected the folder, confirm your choice. After setting your preferred location, click OK to save the changes. From this point forward, whenever you create a new notebook, OneNote will automatically use the location you selected, saving you from having to choose it manually each time. Keep in mind that using a cloud-based location like OneDrive ensures your notes stay synced and accessible from any device. However, if you prefer working offline or storing files locally, selecting a local folder can be just as effective for your needs. By adjusting this simple setting, you can streamline your workflow and keep your notebooks organized exactly the way you want. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.